is a liberal puppet, and I believe everyone should have health care.
Back again, I see, old liberal puppet. You must die, old liberal puppet. You and Hillary Clinton wants to take all my hard-earned kale and spend it on unwanteds.
But Mr. Unknown Puppet, what about disabled people and children in poverty? Don't they deserve the same quality of health care as we get?
Hell no. Raise my taxes to pay for someone else's problems? Hell no. Die, old liberal puppet. I will kill you with my bare hands. Die 1,000 times. Die.